Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So for today's video I saw Nikkie Tutorial's first letter name challenge, and I thought that seems like such a fun idea to use makeup that only starts with the first letter of your name. And so I thought today, why not give it a try. Anyway, so my name is Chandra, hence the name of the channel, and the first letter of my name starts with S. So, anyways, we're going to use makeup that starts with an S today. If you have this video and want to give this video a thumbs up, feel free to go ahead, and also feel free to subscribe, and that's about it. Let's get started. To start off, I'm going to start going through my makeup and looking for makeup that has the letter S in it. So this is the makeup I used in Halifax, the city I went to. I had seen my last video. There's nothing in here that has the letter S in it because I have Milk Makeup, The Body Shop, Tarte, a McDonald's receipt. I'm going to look in my drawer here to see if I have anything. No, I've got the Body Shop, LA Color, Tampax Cup, AOA, or the Body Shop, AOA, Aerosopia,
AOA, the Body Shop, Elf, Wet n Wild, don't even know the name of this stuff, Bananas, ColourPop, Net Media, ColourPop, the Body Shop, Hot Candy, and Eyeshadow Brush, the Body Shop, ColourPop.
Silhouette. No, I don't have an eyeshadow palette that starts with an S because I use Morphe, BH Cosmetics, The Body Shop, and Juvia's Place. Did I say ColourPop? Yeah, fine.
LA Color, the Body Shop, the Body Shop, Cougar, the Body Shop, ColourPop, Lancome, Lancome. This is Big Wet Mario.
My name starts with a Z. I have one item. I had something in my collection. Convinced. I was convinced I had at least a couple items in my collection that I could play around with, get creative with, and do this challenge. Turns out I had nothing, and like really thinking about it, I guess I don't actually have anything that starts with the letter S in my collection. The only product I can use right now is some nice lotion, so like I'm gonna smell good. I'm just gonna smell amazing. And I can only think of like 2 brands right now that start with the letter S. It'd be like Sicily and Sephora. If my name started with a J, I'd be golden right now. C would be a good one too. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very short video. Like, subscribe, and comment. I don't know. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!